Colombia and Thailand, y'all. Wait a second. I'm having a stream called Thailand versus Colombia, and you are making a good point for Colombia. Like,
okay. I like that. I like that.
She got the accent too. You hear that accent? You Colombiana.
Mucho acento.
Hey.
Hola.
Hey.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
All right, so this is the lucky man, the only man in Thailand to bring a Colombian with him that I know of. Do you know of anybody else that brought a Colombian with him to Thailand?
No.
I don't either. So, and you see why? You see what he did? He was like, y'all got some nice things out here in Thailand, but I got some nice things too. You did. That put you on the spot.
Okay, what's God?
Are most of the women in Colombia like this? I'm talking about not just this.
Okay.
I'm talking about personality, friendly, sweet. Are most of them like this? A rarity. What is it like?
She is definitely not a rarity. However, if you don't know the language, you can't get what you're supposed to really get. Because if you go there and you don't know the language, you'll get the gringo chasers, the gringo hunters. Those are girls that a lot of guys experience. Oh, Medellin have bad girls. It's not the real girls. They target you.
See, that's what I heard. It's not so much the Colombians as it is the foreigners coming to their country, flaunting money, and a lot of things these people might not have. So this turns you into a target. They say in Colombia, don't give them papaya, meaning don't give them a reason to get you. If you give them a reason to get you, like flexing and showing off, sometimes they gotta get you. And don't even try that bullshit out here. They'll just take you to jail, then possibly Thai prison, then throw you right out of the country and ban you from ever coming back. No explanation, no refund. You see, Thailand isn't as dependent on US dollars as some other countries. Throwing money in the air is considered insulting and illegal because the king's face is on the currency. So, before you book that long-ass flight, if you come out here acting like a passport Pookie Supreme or an entitled foreigner, not only are they gonna send you back, but one of the coldest parts of it all is they're gonna make you pay for your own flight back to wherever you came from. I'm not telling you what I heard. I've seen this happen. One dude who didn't want to wear a mask while the rules were strictly being enforced damn near got into a fight over his rights about wearing a mask, and they shipped his ass right back to the UK. I can't make this ish up. And another dude who I know personally, he had the wrong paperwork and the wrong attitude. The immigration officer got a whiff of that attitude and was like, oh, hell no. He ain't walking into my country. And some of his paperwork wasn't even straight. My dude never made it past the airport security office. I guess he assumed because he had a 1-year lease on his apartment out here, they would let that attitude fly. Nope. Didn't care. Thailand can go from paradise to purgatory real quick if you break the rules. Heavy fines and jail time keeps everything in check. This goes for everyone. Why you think it's so safe out here? Because no one wants to spend their vacation visiting a Thai prison, including the locals. Ask anyone who's been here if I'm lying. What's the lesson for today? Leave your matrix thinking ways in the matrix. And if you're feeling me, hit the Cash App and support the show. Now where were we? Yes, the Colombiana in Thailand. Let me brush up on my Spanish right quick.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, bien, bien.
¿Cómo se llama?
Maloy.
Maloy. All right, this is Maloy representing Colombia and representing it well. Hey, how long have you been in Colombia?
Thailand.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. You done got me confused. She got me confused over this bitch. What do you think is the best part of Colombia besides Medellin? Cartagena, Cali. Have you been to any of those places?
Yeah, I've been in Cali. Cali is beautiful women there. Cartagena is cool for vacation. Santa Marta's beautiful too, not that much touristy. It's nice. I like more like that.
Alright, I know. Y'all gotta forgive me for the bad sound, but it actually helped so I didn't get hit with a yellow check mark for playing a popular song in the background. This episode was shot on a yacht in 90-degree weather in Pattaya, Thailand. For some reason, when you show swimwear in 90-degree weather on a boat, that can land you on the wrong side of the algorithm. Watch this mama from the Bay Area take the leap of faith. Hey! So if I get a yellow check mark for this, just know I'm gonna have the uncut version on the Patreon. For those of you who don't know, I have 5 different tiers to choose from. So make sure to check out the Zoom to Thailand Patreon and support your boy. Because if it wasn't for my Patreon and donations, I'm telling you, I'd probably just be chilling in the cut somewhere watching time go by with L. You dig? But because of my Patreon members, I'm able to keep this train rolling. Now let's get back to the only Colombiana I've ever seen in Thailand. And not only was she thicker than a Snicker, she had a great personality, a warm smile, and that Colombian Spanish accent. You know that Colombian Spanish accent? She talked like that. And for those who know, no. But I've never been to Colombia, and since she's from Medellin, which is on the top of my list of cities to visit in Colombia, I had some questions, and she had some answers.
The accent is so good to me, you love it. Say you love it. What's the accent?
Entonces se habla en español porque suena más bonito.
She said she loves it, it's beautiful.
One time like this, make it pop like this, knock like this, make it drop like. One time like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it drop. One time like this, make it pop like this, knock like this, make it drop like. One time like.
Medellin. Morenos de America, they love Medellin. Why they love Medellin? Beautiful women. Are you a beautiful woman? With it? Okay. Yeah. See, Colombians, y'all gotta understand, Spanish people, the accents are different. Mexican accent is totally different than Colombian accent. Colombians have like an Italian kind of job. Oh, la felicidad. You know what I mean? They got that Italian.
Hablamos cantando.
Yeah, that shit is so fly.
Don't forget to subscribe. No olvides suscribirte.
Ooh, I like that even better. Say that again.
No olvides suscribirte.
Hey, you see it.
This is
They think people want to move to America.
Sí, I love Thailand. I can live here.
She said she can live here.
I can live
She said she can live here.
I understand.
I'm so excited because I never met a Colombian in Thailand.
No?
I love Thailand. I can live here. She said she can live here. She said she can live here.
I understand.
Dre, your ass is in trouble.
Wow, you love Thai women. You ever Thai girlfriend?
That's it. Let's follow the dog when he said Thai girlfriend. Hey! That's something that we left out. You didn't tell about the pretty Colombian toes. Oh, shit. You didn't tell me about the pretty Medellin toes. Oh, yeah. No, I like the Colombian toes. Colombiana in Thailand. Can you say Colombiana in Thailand?
Colombiana in Thailand.
Hey.
Paisa.
Hey, you dig? Say you dig.
You did.
Hey.
What did we meet? I forgot what we met.
Where you guys meet?
We made a Tinder.
Yeah, we met on Tinder.
Hey! Shout out to Tinder!
I didn't know any Spanish and she didn't know any English.
What?
No. And we was like talking to translate and I said, hey, if this is gonna work, you have to learn English in a month or we can't be together. And she learned English in a month.
He told you that? Her English is excellent.
Yes.
Whatever you did it right. You did.
When I first met her, I knew she was a superstar. I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it. Sometimes you meet somebody who's like, man, even if I'm not with this person, I want to help this person be great.
That's it. You need to be on Zoom to Thailand. We got to figure out something for you to do. You're gonna be here for 2 months, right? So, with permission of the executive producer here, and let me tell you something. You are so lucky because it's so rare that you see a black man this young. Me, I'm an old man. Him, he young. He doing his thing. He got his head on straight. Good personality. I know he treats you well. I know he's a good person. I know he's raised from a good family. You can feel by the energy. So you guys are both lucky. And we're all lucky to have Dante here.
Yeah.
Hey. I'm lucky to be in y'all guys' presence.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? The great Omani.
He puts everything together. Zoom to Thailand puts everything together. Makes this opportunity is really great to meet other black people that are here.
And Colombians.
And Colombians. and we all get along. Everything's great. It feels good. It feels good.
It really does.
Really be.
But beautiful women, beautiful atmosphere makes men calm the hell down. It makes us calm down because it's like, what we tripping on? I got my little Thai over there, my Thai noodle over there. My Thai noodle over there. I got my Thai noodle over there. Don't say my Thai noodle. And Bum the friend Bum in the building. We got a Thai lady. We got East Side and we got Thai. Me Dum Thai.
I'm Dum Thai.
You Dum Thai too? Yeah. Dum Thai. I need Dum Thai. Fa's just getting it. She's just making it her boat.
I love my people.
She love her people.
That's the way it should be. That's the way it should be.
It's my home.
Am I in your shot?
I can live here too. You know, like, I love my home, but if possible, I can live here too.
What do you like about Thailand? What attracts you? What is it? What's different than say Colombia? What do you like better about Thailand? The culture. Okay. What's different?
It's not actually that. Like, I'm from Medellin, so people from Medellin is very, very nice. Like here, like they're very lovely, very nice. They take care of you, like here.
Same thing.
So that's why I'm like, it's not that much different. Just like here, it's like more big and have way more things.
But how about the food?
Oh, that's another level.
What do you think about Thai food?
Here is amazing. Do you think that the chicken and rice? Just that.
You love the chicken? You good?
Chicken and rice.
Street food?
And they kill it.
All good.
She said they kill it.
Killing the game with the chicken and rice. That's it. That's all they had to do.
We got a Colombian in Thailand. The thickness that a lot of us brothers are looking for. I see what Dre's talking about. I see what Taylor May's talking about. I see what all these brothers is talking about. I've never been to Colombia. I've been to Brazil. I've been to DR. I've been to Spain. I've been to Puerto Rico. But I've never been to Colombia. And I will be going to Colombia. Thank you so much for talking with my channel. Do you mind if I show this on my channel?
Of course. I love your channel.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
So we're going to bring you back?
Of course.
Oh, yeah, you here. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to do a live interview with you. They're going to want to see more of you. This is called the Colombiana in Thailand. Now I want you to say, theme music. Y'all got to kiss each other one more time. I got to see that. Hey, that's love right there. Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
I think women here are like more feminine. Beautiful feminine. Like they're very intelligent. You gotta like do it fastest as possible before fuck it up.
Right, because they will fuck it up, like she said. It's coming, I know it is. It's totally coming, because it's too close to America. They come to America from America, bring that American attitude.